Yo, what's up everyone? Now, I don't know which video will be out first, but today we have the lawnmower that I had to take apart. So it currently has no engine on this thing. So why not? Let's have some fun. Now these things up here, these levers are, really noisy, so we're gonna tie them down with just a simple knot, because I suck at making knots. Alright guys, now let's start with listen down the hill and I'll jump on, guys.
I think it'd be better if I...
Oh. Woo! Here we go, guys. Transmission is broken, guys. What are you doing? Transmission is broken, guys, so that just kind of spins. Oh my god. Well, we're going for a ride today. Oh god, guys. This might look fun, but it's very uncomfortable. Ow! Oh. Alright, we'll cut the video. Alright, anyway guys, yeah, that might have looked fun, but it was uncomfortable, so let's take it to a hill and push it. Now what do you guys say we take this on the road?
Didn't work. Didn't work. So loud, guys.
Oh, guys. You know, it's a lot easier when you guys get the magic, but we don't get to see it. I mean, I have to push this thing all the way over here.
Did what? No brakes needed. We're going. Guys.
Okay, well, she quit. Your guys are on the mower. Pick them back up. Guys, look what happened. Transmission broke.
Ow. There you guys.
Look at that. Look at that rust right there. Holy crap, there's quite a bit of buildup of rust on the
It's fine.
You guys, I want to crush you guys.
Fine.
Also, if you're watching, I think your name is, I'm sorry, please tell me how to pronounce it. Marshana. I'm not sure, I'm sorry. Maybe I'll put like a screenshot of his channel here. Please subscribe to it. I wonder if you're watching this. I find it kind of cool that you speak Hindi. That's cool. Nice. What should we do?
I don't know. Time to end the video soon.
Alright guys, well, I'm getting bored because we don't know what to do. Look at me.
They are.
Bring them up. Anyway, yeah guys, just
They're bouncing up.
Alright guys, I'm kind of getting bored for today. I still have more stuff coming. I want to do a top speed on the clap bike. I don't think it's going to be very fast. Stop. But, could you just stop?
It's over there, idiot. Put your hand there. The fuck?
But yeah, I'm kind of running out of ideas for today. So I guess I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.